Action.
Uh, uh, it's you guys calling me a better ex-wife when I'm filming this right in front of my ex-husband. Sana, just because we have a difference of opinion doesn't mean that you guys have to stoop to the bottom of the basement underneath the toenail of Satan when you've never met Lucifer in person. Yes, digest that. Digest that, you fuck on chicken licking hot wing. Yini nga? Deluziphatha njenge-bucket of 21 pieces. How? Amukela kwinkqubo yami bomtaba kadade, bomtaba kagogo, bomtaba ka-auntie, bomtaba kasisi. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. Do you love traveling and you are looking for some hidden gems on a budget? Worry not, because Umratua has got you covered on her channel. She discovers the ones that we want and for a very, very good price. She is part of management, so let's support each other. Go over there, tell her that Sim sent you, and subscribe. Yeah?
Moratwe Ramaboya here, a travel content creator taking people to beautiful hidden gems on a budget. I'm all about showing you that you don't need crazy money to experience amazing views, unique places, and memorable getaways. If you're looking for affordable travel ideas, I'm your girl. Allow me to plug you with budget-friendly getaways that actually feel worth it. If travel content focused on value for money is your thing, then that's exactly what my channel is about.
Hi, Nina, senior management. So yesterday we spoke about 90, and I understand that when it comes to marriages, relationships, baby mamas, wives, we always have a difference of opinion. It does not mean you must come to my comment section and act like you grew up without love at home. Don't do that. I love that a lot of people, you say your opinion, how you like, whether you agreed with me or disagreed with me, it was perfectly fine. Writing your paragraphs, I loved reading them because why? It's different perspectives. I enjoyed that. Ne? Guys, just because we don't understand each other sometimes, it's okay. But we are still under one company of Sims, right? Ne? Thank you. Mahalaba, laba bangihlanyelayo, calling me Peter, calling me yini? Sekgowa, I grew up with no love. I'm so Angiko Peter. Angiko Peter. I grew up with two parents. Love them both. Richard ne ex like bangikhulise kahle mina. Mm. Mm. Not a bitter ex-wife. I'm just an ex-wife. Me. My ex-husband and I, amazing co-parents, amazing friends, because we were friends before we got married. So ningazofika la nithi inani. Zonilanda emakini. Okay, anginayo ipetrol yokufika ngamakini but ngizonilanda emakini. Anyway, and thank you for everyone that said no Sims. Unandi does have causes that she stands for. Just because they are not your causes, it doesn't mean she does not have any cause. Nandi, I apologize. I respect your opinion and I do respect your causes because I went and I took the time to go see what you do. And you are really an amazing advocate for Autism Speaks. I love that. And then Olisa, that I did not highlight that in my commentary yesterday. Uxolo siswami and alohlanga lungehlanga. You're still a beautiful, amazing wife. Just because I differ from your views does not mean I don't respect you. Now, let us get into today's video. Waras's Ngulugudus have been caught. You guys remember that they caught Uvita Majola, right? And then we asked her, where is the other Ngulugudu that we saw in the video? He has been caught Armundo. He After taking Waris's life, he fled to Mozambique, and he says that he was only paid 7,000 rands, but he was promised 25,000 rands. He does not know where the other money is. Shortly after removing ODJ Waras from Earth, he had the nerve and the audacity and the gall and the liver to go back to the crime scene to verify that this man really did leave us on Earth to know that okay, his job has been done. He says that he was hired by Victor Majola, who accused number one. They are currently another isilungu namhlanje. There is currently another person that should be arrested. They say that arrests have not been made, but there's another person that was assistant to Armindo, and another arrest is going to be made. But in all of this, they are looking for the mastermind that planned and wanted Waras out of Emhlabeni. So let us see how this case unfolds. The wheels of justice seem to be turning slowly as they are. Let's not interfere with police work and let's let them do their due, because really, it really does seem when they want you, they will find you. Ne? Now, Nonku, Real Housewives of Durban star Williams, Nonku International. Beverly, the other Real Housewives from Cape Town, Esther, is not happy with you. So you guys remember that Nonku and Jojo were besties, right? To us who watched the Real Housewives. And then Nonku said, actually, me not Jojo. We are not as friendly as you guys think you are. Our friendship is not that bestication best friendship. And Jojo was left distraught and crying while in the midst of this best friendship separation. Guess who Nonku started befriending? None other than Beverly Stain. Yes, the Real Housewives of Cape Town star. They started doing the content that Nonku was doing with Jojo. Sharing the scriptures. Women in Ruth 31, Proverbs 31. Ayike. Manje uBeverly is so upset with Nonku. Apparently, Beverly gave Nonku a large sum of money. Initially, Nonku wanted Beverly to give her 2 million rands. May I please have the same confidence and audacity that Nonku has to go to a friend and ask for 2 million rands? And Beverly said, I'm not going to give you 2 million rands, but I'm going to give you a large sum of money. And Nonku's like, yeah, give it to me. I'll pay you within 30 days. Nonku, 30 days is a month, and a month is very short. And it's very short because now 30 days have passed and you still have not paid. Oh, Beverly, she's so upset with you. And it's worse because you guys wrote it down and you signed it down. It was a written agreement. You were going to pay her back within 30 days. But azange. And then you deceived her, Nonku. As she was your friend because you deceived her. She thought you were a staunch woman. She thought you were a pastor. It turns out you were just fetis and monies and not the real pastor on the pulpit.
I can tell you one thing, whatever happens in the dark comes to light, and I'm done. I'm done with allowing you to betray me. I'm done with allowing you to use me, and I'm done with covering up your shame. By the way, some of you have been asking me what foundation I've been using. Dolce & Gabbana. I got it the other day. Look how beautiful this bottle is. It's so stunning. And it is so amazing on my skin. But anyway, back to you. I'm also done with allowing you to behave like the victim in all of this. And I'm done creating a narrative to protect your image when people ask me what's going on between the two of us. Like, I'm just done.
No, she is like Mangiti upset. She is dishing it out all. Her Unongo is not who we thought we are. And the Unongo came under the guise of, I won't have a place to stay. My kids won't have school fees. Please, 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 baby. And then people was like, I gotta give it. I gotta give it. I gotta do it from a friend. And you know what another part is? It's the fact that Beverly said, no, I did not give her 2 million. Not Hori, no, I did not have the 2 million. These girls are rich. Like, these girls are rich. That's the type of friendship level I aspire to be. Just having a random 2 million rand in my account and I'm not FNB or Investec. You wanted me to say Capitec Nina, man. No. But you know what I mean. Yeah, man. So let us talk in the comment section down below. Nyantel. Tell us 25. Or else the comment section is just going to end up having 54 people that are proper human beings in life. Guys, you can argue with me. It's okay. Just do it right. Yeah. Maso ubiza. Mina ngithakazelo zami. Ungitshela where to get off. Nami, I will tell you where to get down. And I give him for all of us.